I really needed to cleanse my space and get some organizers for all my skincare products that I will show you in a minute how much it was. It was crazy, and honestly I just had no idea how I were to organize it, because I didn't even know what I had. So I really feel like I'm going to reorganize it whenever I feel like I need to, and really just whatever makes my day a little bit easier. So anyways, I did have quite a lot of things that did not fit anywhere, so I had to buy 3 organizers that I will show you in a minute. Guys, look at this mess right here. I have these bags. There's just so many things in here. I don't even know what it is.
Bounce back about 2 to 3 times. Dealing with your ass got me working overtime. Got me some slack, I've been losing my mind. No, I'm not fine, you be killing my vibe. Got me down bad, I had to learn the hard way. Say you want me, then keep playing these games. I'ma need you to start counting your days. No, you can't stay, get up out of my way. Can't believe I thought you were the one. All the flags waving red from the start. Now I know all the things that I won't. Think I'm good on my own, 'cause I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, 'cause I'm good.
Okay, so I just cleansed my self-care space, so my makeup table and everywhere else that I do have my self-care stuff. I do have quite a lot. Not this one. I don't think so. Yeah, I do have some testers in this little box. So I do have these that I'm going to take out, of course. And I have an entire bag of just stuff. I don't even know what is in this bag. I felt like it was really time for me to just fix my space up, because it has been very annoying, and like to know also like all of your skincare stuff, it's just been a mess and everything has been everywhere. And I also have some things in this bag, some makeup, I don't know what makeup, and shower creams and gels and stuff like that. Before I just start to take everything out of the bags, I did buy organizers, and I'm gonna show you. I do have this one that I'm going to use for something. I haven't really quite decided what I'm going to have for what. And then I also have this. I got this a couple of days ago, and it's just like simple organizers. I also bought another one, so I have 2 of those. I wanted it rotating like this. It feels like this is kind of easy to just see everything that you have if you can organize them. So I'm just going to set these up real quick. And I really like, I don't know why, but I have been wanting organizers for as long as I can remember. I just haven't had that as something that I have prioritized. I've never had like, oh, I'm going to go and buy organizers now, like until now when I have to. So it looks like this. I'm just going to take it out of the bag.
I'm independent, you hard-headed, too damn confused about what we had. Was all for it, all that was wrong shut up inside. But I was foolish, that your bare minimum was space. I had to lose it, my feelings muted. Put it into what we had without the full closure. 'Cause there be times I thought that we could start this all over, but now I know I can't do any type of mediocre. Used to fall back, but now I'm on and looking forward. Can't believe I thought you were the one. All the flags waving red from the start. Now I know all the things that I want. Day by day, taking to myself. Can't believe I thought you were the one. All the flags waving red from the start. Now I know all the things that I want. Think I'm good on my own. Cause I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good.
It just looks like this so far. And I do have a second one of these.
I'm good. Yeah, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. 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 I'm good, yeah.
These boxes are so good because you can actually take this out as well if you have like big things. Like I have this one, so I can just like take these out and just kind of put this in like that. That's just so good. And also if you want to divide the space, you can just put it in here. I don't know if I should start with the makeup or my skincare or like perfume and hygiene. Like I don't even know where to start because I do have so many things. Oh, and I did forget that I also have this one, so I don't really know what to do with this one yet. I just got all of my perfumes so I can have them maybe in here. I am not certain of how I want to have them. I just know that I cannot have them the way that I have it already. This one, I have like never used it. I bought it like 2 years ago. It just wasn't my scent, so I just never used it. And I don't know, maybe I'm going to give this to my sister, but until then I'm just going to put it here. I'm probably going to change the way that I'm organizing this later on anyways. Okay guys, so I just wanted to go over whatever is in this bag. Here is everything. Oh, the bag just broke. That's so, yeah, fantastic. Okay, so I just think I'm going to take everything out on top. Okay, great. It's totally chaos here. So I have, this is what I have and I forgot about it. This is a booty sheet mask. It's supposed to make your booty pop. I don't know, never tried, but it's certainly interesting. This is really like a lot of it. It's not even everything. I also, these are the things that I use on a daily basis. And here we have some other things. Some of these I use on a daily basis, others not so much, like this. And also I do have some testers in here, have some shower gels, testers and sheet masks in one place, like everything that looks like this. Then we have some coats that, okay, and everything that is emptied I can put there. And also we do have a sheet mask, also some makeup. I do have this one. I don't usually use this much of color, but it's fun to play around with sometimes. Yeah. It's Skin. This is a blue snail serum. Oh, this is amazing. Okay, so yeah.
Taking you in this moment, come get close like you own it. Read your aura, you want more of all this love, you'll be your name. Release all of your burdens, it's been me, you'll be searching. Take a load off and your clothes off, just relax, you deserve it. You keep me up tonight, got you all on my mind. Seem like that's hard to find when they keep playing games. Gazing into my eyes, give me them butterflies. Take me from low to highs, want you here every day. Can't get enough. everybody else is a beginner. I don't wanna talk, you have to deliver. Don't worry about me, cause I'm a giver. Daddy, I'll do anything so I can make you mine.
Are you ready for the result? When I organized it, it was 2 days ago and I was exhausted, so I really didn't record anything else that evening. So I'm not gonna show you the entire collection of all my skincare in this video. That is something that I will make a separate video on if you are interested in that. I'm just gonna show you the end result and how I decided to organize everything. Here, as you can see, this one is almost still empty. I have not yet decided what I want to do with this and what I'm going to do with this. I feel like it is time to get rid of this one, but I don't know. I will not be doing that today. Another day maybe. So I feel like maybe I should just move everything from here to here. I did realize that I did something really wrong almost. You see these? I do have a scalp massager in here. Anyways, here there are 2 holes where you can put like whatever beauty things you want in there. And I didn't think about it when I put in the shelves. So I put the shelves down here. These 2, there are small little boxes here that I think are supposed to be under this, or it's obviously that it is that way. But I'm going to readjust everything once I decide whatever I want to even do with this space. I just put this one here in the meanwhile because I don't really know what to do with that one. That is just in my face all the time and I just want to get it somewhere where I don't have to think about it. Anyways, so here we do have some of my, this is definitely skincare, and here we have hair. So this is everything for hair, and it's except for this one. I got this at a event with like Stockholm Beauty Week, and this is a, I don't even know what to call these. It's one of these that you can like. So I use this every time I put on my setting spray. That is a really good thing to have, especially during the summertime. I love it. Anyways, here we do have my hair care products, except for all the conditioners, shampoos, and deep conditioners. I do have my hairbrush in here, a little bit of clips, and a scissor. Just whenever I feel like I need to cut some ends off. Sometimes if it's a knot, I rather just cut it off than ruining my hair by just dragging it out anyways. So here we do have a lot of my skincare, and I can take this out so you guys can see what it actually looks like. There's a lot of products, so I just had to stack them so that they would all fit. Here we do have the makeup as it was before. Really, like, I really need to clean up and fix this area. As you can see, it's like dusty and stuff because I don't even use half of this. I think that these 2 are the only ones that I use out of all of these. So yeah, I feel like it's time. I don't use anything of these, not a single one. It's really time to clean that up, but that will be for another day. Here I do have my brushes. I don't use any specific brushes at the moment. It was a good starter kit and I got it as a gift from one of my best friends. Here we do have some hygiene hair. I should have had these 2 in the same just to keep it organized, but I mean they couldn't fit, and it really couldn't fit at all more here. Or at least, I mean, if I stacked them, maybe, but that wouldn't look that good. And it would just be annoying for me to lift things off and on. Here we do have some facial cleansers. This is my oil that I love. Sometimes I only use this because it is so good. And this one is a foam. They're both from Kaiteogembo, which I think it's a Swedish brand. I don't know if you can get it anywhere else. You know, double cleansing is super good. Anyways, here we do have some deodorant, claw clips here. This one to protect my hair whenever I wash my face, and a lot of scrunchies and hair bands. I don't know what that is called, and a headband as well. I love this one, super cute. But the thing is, I never use these, so I don't know why I bought so many. I think I bought them when I was like going to the gym and I didn't have a hairband or a scrunchie with me. So perfume, some perfume testers as well. They are very easy to just put in a bag whenever you're going out. makeup stuff, powder and foundation and some eyeshadow. And here is the rest of my makeup. As I told you, it's such a mess. Here I did decide to put everything in here, all of these things, like everything that is sheet mask or tester in this kind of way. I do have some eyebrow color in here as well, and some towels. This is what I use for my face. This is what I use for my beauty blender. So my makeup bag from Kaya, Newsticks foundation. I don't have a foundation in here. I use it for my jewelry because I don't have a good space for my jewelry yet, and that is why it looks like this. It's not all crazy anymore, but it was definitely crazy before. Really do need to get another makeup table with a drawer, or like, yeah, with a drawer, so I can have my, what do you call it, my jewelry. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like it and comment down below. And if you like fashion and beauty content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next one.